Hello and welcome to today's session on Microsoft 365 SharePoint Online. In this session, I will show you how to use PnP provisioning engine to export a site as a template with the help of PowerShell. We will start by navigating to a blank page in a new site. This site will be used to apply our template. The PowerShell script is quite straightforward. We begin by installing the required module, SharePoint PnP PowerShell Online. Connect to the template site with an administrative account. Then we'll export the template and use specified properties to minimize the scope of the XML file. Let's start by running the two first commandlets in the script. We connect, and then we'll extract the template based on the site. As you can see, the template is now getting provisioned and downloaded as an XML file to your local computer. We shall now look at the XML file from Visual Studio Code. The XML itself can seem quite big. We begin with removing the welcome page property for the web settings. And the reason we do that is because the welcome page is always the same. And to configure it further, you will need some additional steps. This will not be required for the current solution. Looking at the different sections, we have security, lists, files, and client-side pages. The client-side pages are what's shown on each page with the different web parts. And this is where you can configure the properties and settings for those specific web parts. Going further down, we'll see the different pages applied, and we can also have a better view and understanding of how these pages are using images and actually what type of pages are implemented in the script. Finally, we connect to the targeted site. In this scenario, the new site with the blank page. We apply the template, and with that said, you are ready to go.